Welcome to another Cara Co tutorial, and today we're getting into badge reels. You can find all of the products and written instructions on our website or in the description box below. Let's get into it. So we're going to start with our supplies. We're going to start with a badge reel. We need a binder clip to help us work with it. We're going to use 3 15mm beads. We used one of our really pretty print beads and 2 icy blue. And then we also need pliers and scissors. So let's get started. First, we're going to take our badge reel and we're going to extend it out a couple inches so that we have enough space to work with. I think I got about 5 inches here. And we're going to take our binder clip and just pinch it right near the edge there. So this is going to give us enough string to work with and to string on our beads and also tie our knots at the top. Next step is we're going to cut the string here. So first we want to make sure we've gotten this clip out of the way. So we're gonna just put it in our pliers and push the opposite way to open it up. Push this out and then cut it. And that gets rid of their knot that they've got on the badge reel. Then we can go ahead and take our stopper off. And now we can add on our beads. We recommend not having too many beads. I think 3 15mm are perfect. Like that. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put it all back together. So we're gonna fish this back through this little itty bitty hole. And then we're going to tie a double knot. Okay, so that's 2, and I think I like that amount. I'm just going to snip the end here so that it doesn't stick out of the bead stopper. And then I'm going to pull that through. And we're almost done. We have to get our lanyard back onto here. And this can be a little finicky, just take your time. So we're going to put it back on there and then close it back up like that. Get it back into our bead stopper. And you're almost done. All you have to do is release your binder clip and you're done. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed that. Check out our other tutorials on our YouTube page and make sure you subscribe so you can see all of our new tutorials coming up. See you next time.